this video you are going to learn how to make polite small talk. So what do I mean by small talk? Small talk is a casual form of conversation, and we can use it to break the ice with somebody that we are meeting for the first time. We can also use it to fill awkward silences, and quite often we can use it also to pass the time if we are waiting for something. So what are some of the situations you might find yourself in where it is necessary to make small talk? Well, you could be waiting for a bus. You might be sitting next to a stranger on an aeroplane. You could be in a lift with somebody. You could be waiting for a meeting to begin at work. Or you might be at a party speaking to people that you don't know. So here are my do's and don'ts for making polite small talk. Do talk about the weather. Some people would say that it is very British to talk about the weather. It's a common topic of conversation, and we probably talk about it because it rains a lot over here. Current events. So long as it's something positive in the news, that's usually a safe topic to use for your polite small talk. Sports news, always a good one, especially if there is a match happening that day or that week. Entertainment news, so perhaps it's about a favourite TV programme or a popular celebrity. Or something that you have in common with the other person that you are talking to. These are all ways in which we can make polite small talk. Now here are the things we must not do because it could be considered a little impolite. We must not talk about any controversial news. So anything where people might have a difference of opinion, it's best not to use that as a topic of conversation for small talk. Religion. Again, people could have a different opinion. You don't know what the religion or the opinions are of the person that you're speaking to, so it's best not to use this as your topic of conversation. Money. Again, some people might say that a typically British thing is to not discuss money. Politics. Again, you don't know what the opinion is of the person you are talking to. And personal comments about the other person. You don't want to make a comment about the person's appearance or about something that could possibly be going on in their personal life, which is a little bit negative and not very polite. So here we have some example conversation starters. It's a lovely day, isn't it? Putting "isn't it" on the end makes it a question. And if you're making a question, it's much more likely that you're going to receive a response and be able to start a little conversation with the person that you are initiating that small talk with. It looks like it's going to rain, doesn't it? This is exactly what my taxi driver said to me today because he wanted to fill an awkward silence, so he was talking about the weather. Did you hear the news about? So it might be, did you hear the news about the royal family? Or did you hear the news about the local shopping area? Or did you hear the news about the new TV programme that's going to be broadcast? Which team do you think will win? Really good question if there is a match happening that week. So again, talking about sports news. How do you know John? So perhaps you're at a party, you've been introduced to somebody by John, John's gone off to get a drink, and you're left with this person that you now need to make small talk with. So you might ask them how they know John. And what did you do at the weekend? This is a great one if you're at work and it's a Monday morning and you're standing next to somebody at the photocopier. It's a little bit awkward silence, so you need to make some small talk. It would be really, really polite to ask them about their weekend and what they did. So here are some examples of small talk. Next time you find yourself waiting for something with somebody you don't know very well, try these conversation starters and see how you get on. Bye for now.